The present perfect continuous tense might sound intimidating, but it's a powerful tool for expressing actions that bridge the past and present. Imagine wanting to describe an ongoing situation that started in the past and continues to this very moment. That's where this tense comes in handy. Whether you're talking about a recent activity or a long-term project, the present perfect continuous allows you to paint a vivid picture for your listener. It helps convey a sense of immediacy and ongoing progress, unlike some other tenses that dwell solely in the past or present. Mastering this tense unlocks a new level of fluency and expressiveness in English. The structure of the present perfect continuous tense is simple has or have been plus the ing form of the verb. Has is used with third-person singular subjects he, she, it, while have is used with other subjects I, you, we, they. The ing form of the verb indicates an ongoing action. For instance, to say I have been studying English, you combine have, been, and the ing form of study. Remember this basic formula, and you're well on your way to using this tense accurately. Let's break down some examples to solidify our understanding. She has been living in London for 5 years. Here, has been living signifies an ongoing action, living in London, that began 5 years ago and continues to the present. They have been playing football since this morning. This sentence tells us that their football game started earlier today and is still in progress. I have been waiting for the bus for an hour. In this case, the speaker expresses frustration because the action of waiting began an hour ago and is still ongoing. By analyzing these examples, we can see how the present perfect continuous tense effectively links the past and present, highlighting the continuous nature of the action. While the present perfect continuous shares similarities with the present perfect and past continuous tenses, distinct differences set them apart. The present perfect, has or have plus past participle, emphasizes the completed action and its result in the present. For example, she has lived in London simply states that she lived there at some point in the past, without specifying the duration or whether she still lives there. The past continuous, was or were plus ing form, on the other hand, focuses on an action that was in progress at a specific point in the past. For instance, she was living in London when she met her husband tells us that she was residing in London at the time of meeting her husband, but it doesn't reveal whether she still lives there. Understanding these nuances helps avoid confusion and ensures you use the appropriate tense based on the intended meaning. Section 5. Mastering the tense useful tips. Remembering the structure and usage of the present perfect continuous becomes easier with these handy tips. First, associate the tense with ongoing actions that have a connection to the present. Second, practice using time expressions commonly associated with this tense, such as for, since, all day, how long, and recently. Third, create your own examples using the tense to solidify your understanding. By implementing these strategies, you'll gain confidence and fluency in using the present perfect continuous tense effectively. Section 6. Practice makes perfect exercises. Now, put your knowledge into practice with these exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect continuous form of the verb in parentheses. 1. I wait for your call all morning. 2. They travel the world for the past year. 3. She study English since she was a child. Exercise 2. Correct the mistakes in the following sentences. 1. He had been working here for 5 years. 2. I am learning English since last year. 3. They are watching TV all day. Section 7. Answers and explanations. Let's review the answers and explanations for the exercises. Exercise 1. 1. I have been waiting for your call all morning. 2. They have been traveling the world for the past year. 3. She has been studying English since she was a child. Exercise 2. 1. He has been working here for 5 years. Use has for third-person singular subjects. 2. I have been learning English since last year. Use present perfect continuous for actions starting in the past and continuing to the present. 3. They have been watching TV all day. Use present perfect continuous for actions continuing over a period of time. Section 8. Beyond grammar rules, embracing fluency. While understanding grammar rules is essential, true fluency goes beyond memorization. It involves incorporating the present perfect continuous tense naturally in your conversations and writing. Don't be afraid to experiment with the tense, even if you make mistakes initially. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Section 9. The journey of language learning. Mastering the present perfect continuous tense is a significant milestone in your English language journey. It equips you with a versatile tool to express ongoing actions and connect the past and present seamlessly. Embrace the challenge, practice consistently, and enjoy the satisfaction of communicating more effectively in English.